St. Michael and All Angels Secondary School Jawai, Mendaka Sinai Puterek Risau, Kalayo and Pynhap pada, Yaka Jingrakhe Lekman, Jubilee Rupa, Nika Jingdam Absence Nam Kajingshakri, Hakaliang Kapuli Puthi. Yaka Jingalang la Pulong Hapalau Jangate Hika School, Akaba, Upaya, Da Uhi, Doy, Ubade Executive Engineering, Katanat PWD Building Jawai, Ulalong Kumukongsan, Hakajingdon Lang Uma MCAT Po, and Master, Jangka School Reverend D.N.W. Lingdo, ka Dr. Harshada Lamin, MBBS, MS, MD, Obstetrician and Gynae, ka Badeiru, ka First Batch Student, ka School, ki Kimegi Kpa, ki Kena School, na Lord Kibeide, ki Plashakot Snopa. Uma MCAT Po and Master, Jangka School, Habapen Snow Yaka History Jangka School, Ulong ba yaka ni ka school la seng haus nam ka kandai spa knap kandai ling ba ki missionary ban minta ka school kala ya chakman ka jing shakri ban kinjo shaka secondary level bat ka thong jung ki nong seng ya ka ni ka school ka long ban ai ka jing shakri ka ba bhatam ha ka puli puthi bar ha ka emlang ka salang kumju ha ki jing ya lenti jong ka school absence nam kala yo shibon ki jing jam bat day haus nam arja khatway la play yaka secondary level hakaba la dan iwe ikena bayakon yaka SSLC ba ila pass lingba kanie kala play show ka jingkhang na ka benta ki nongwan puli banyakon yaka ni ka exam bat ka school kala pass 6% haka exam SSLC ka badang shudam ka school kala yo shibon ki kusnam haki jingya ko pro jabing bapher but kumju haki jingile ka sports haka jo por umakat po ula kentu yo kongsan jong ka sngi bo unyaram ban pin sngo show MLA ka than halor ki jingdan kam jong ka school na do ki building jong ka school ban pin he ki classroom ki kamera computer kamera nile ka bat ko hall jong ka school ki bladan kam ban pin dap kloy kat bana kalyang kongsan ma paya da ohi luhun haka jingkran ula penpau ka jingsong kaman ban wanya don lang haka ni ka sngi Pynhap pada ya ka jingrakhe da ka ba ukit bok ye de khot ka SMC bat kinoi kai ba kinang ya shakman banai ka jingshakri ye ki khana school shu lo ang haka jingya yanti ba absence nam ka dai spark nap kandai ado ha jap saw kamlong ka ba suk henry ki den shibun ki jinge bat u ai kuble ba ka school kala yo ban pen mi menta ya ka wei ka doctor kerman makin nang bon chi shu ki babat ya ki kerdan ba phe bat kumju ha ka san hima sima ula kentu ki kena school makin long ki ba minat tham ha ka jing im bat ki batre shitam na mar ka perthai menta ka long ka ba e bat ka ba don ka jingya khun competition ha baro ki liang la pen po shu ya ka ni ka sngi na ki jingrai priang na ki noi kai ki jing shat tan rai ki jingrai na ki kena school ka jing sam ki kusnam she ki noi kai bat kumju she ki kena school ha ka ni ka sngi pen kun na ka liang kong san ula plat pai pa ya ka souvenir jong ka school ka jing pen hiar ya ka lama Jubilee Rupa bat ka jing ot yu ke kat ba hadien jong ka ni ka jingelang ki dan shibon ki program pen bernia bala shimbenta de ki kena school
I hereby release the souvenir of the Silver Jubilee celebration of your St. Michael and All Angels Secondary School.
So kindly give a round of applause for the releasing of a school souvenir. I request her to kindly sign the souvenir.
This is the day that the Lord has made, that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it and be glad.
December Sat pirana pisit di school Semen mat imrat ya phagi kinut Kiriak di bajel di sat di bajrong
Visions and missions of the school. So here I would like to highlight some achievements of the school during the past 25 years. In education, as the school has set up in 1999, the school has opened the door for the secondary school leaving certificate in the year 2011. With only one student who appeared the SSLC examination and she got through. It is this year that the door has opened for the SSLC examinations up till now. So in the year 2012, 2013, 2018, 2023, 2024 and 2025. Our school got the 10% percentage in a secondary school leaving certificate, which the help of which they dedicated and the hard work of the teacher this year, all of this year which I've already mentioned that all of the students passed in the SSLC examination. So our credit goes to the teacher who has dedicated and have the hard work in education to promote and to lift up the school in a better way. In 2015 and 2000,
among you to be a part of your celebration of this Silver Jubilee celebration. So I'm very happy to be here with you. And from my side, actually I don't have much to say, but what I want to say is that I know the 25 years that this school is going from starting till date. I think they'll find it a lot of, they have to struggle and they find and so many hardship to make the school progress up to this up to date. So I congratulate the teachers and the staff and all those who have fun in this. So I congratulate you all. You have done a fantastic job. So I've seen so many students, and like I've seen you produce one doctor, and maybe from now on so many doctors and engineers, and maybe like MLA, ministers and all. So I urge all of you students, and of course the teachers also, I urge all of you to please work harder so that the target of producing good students and to produce leaders and in our district and in our state, so you will achieve that. So I really urge you to please work harder, because nowadays it's not easy to, if you don't work harder, it's not easy.